Hello, family. Thank you so much for meeting with me. First, I'd like to start off by introducing myself. My name is Miss Singleton. I am Claire's fifth grade teacher, and Claire took the Iowa Test of Basic Skills. Because she placed in the ninth percentile, Claire is in need of additional support for comprehension. So, I have here the data that I'll be looking down at for us to go over together, and I wanted to start off with her informal reading inventory. I wanted you to know that Claire currently is below her grade level for reading, and when it came to the subjects of word list and oral passages, independently she's able to work at about a third grade level, and she can be taught and receive instruction at a fourth grade level. However, when we move to the fifth grade level, this is where frustration sets in for her. When it comes to silent passages, Claire is able to independently work at the second grade level. She can receive instruction at the third grade level, and her frustration begins to set in on the fourth grade level. When it comes to the informational comprehension skill analysis, I wanted to let you all know that Claire has done a really good job in vocabulary and main idea. She is struggling, however, in detail and cause and effect. So if I flip this page over, we're going to be looking at Claire's progress monitoring chart. And I wanted you to know in the beginning weeks, Claire is right on target where she needs to be. However, when we move to about the fifth week, we can see that Claire is starting to move away from her literacy goal. And so let me give you her literacy goal. Claire's goal is when she is giving fifth grade informational passage and vocabulary assessment, she will be able to use context clues and other strategies when consulting a dictionary to help her determine the meaning of unfamiliar words with at least an 80% accuracy. I also wanted to let you know that Claire shows a disdain for reading. She prefers literacy text over informational text. So she loves the comic books, she loves the books with pictures. However, when it comes to informational text, she really does not enjoy that a lot. And so I wanted to have this meeting so that we can go over some strategies and I can make sure we're all on the same page to help Claire reach her literacy goal. So I'm also going to be looking at another page I have here of some things that I'll be doing in school, in the classroom, as well as some things that you can do at home to help Claire. I'll start with what we'll be doing in class. Guided reading is going to be one of the strategies that we are using. And this is just a reading program where Claire will be placed in a group with other students on her reading level, and they will be able to participate in group discussion, which will build her comprehension skills. Another thing we're doing every day will be word work, such as vocabulary building. We'll be doing writing workshops where Claire will have an opportunity to write and then receive feedback not only from me, her teacher, but as well as from her peers. Another thing we'll be participating in is called collaborative learning. And this is where Claire will work together in a group and collaborate through activities such as book clubs, literacy circles, and group writing projects. A couple of things that you can do at home to help encourage Claire will be number one, independent reading. You can definitely encourage Claire to set aside at least 20 minutes each day, and she can choose any book that she likes, and this will help her build her reading and comprehension skills as well. And I know that Claire loves science, and so she can choose a science book, even a science magazine, a science article, anything related, any material, reading material related to a topic that interests her. And so this will help build her understanding of science concepts and theories, as well as her critical thinking and problem solving. And so by encouraging her to read about science and participate in related activities, as a family, you can help foster her love of science while also supporting her growth and development in this area as well. Another thing that you can do at home is the use of technology. There are several educational apps as well as online reading resources that support literacy development and that will help Claire be engaged in her learning. I also wanted to make sure you were aware of some community resources that are available to you. Number one being the public library. A lot of the libraries offer free literacy programs. There are also community centers, and oftentimes you'll be able to find some free tutoring at the community centers as well. So before I end this session, I wanted to leave space for you all if you had any questions for me. All right, and because there are no questions, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening and you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.